Experience driving perfection in the 2011 Cadillac SRX. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Cadillac are offered, including leather upholstery, power front seats, a power liftgate, and seat memory. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 40-gigabyte hard drive, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Cadillac also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and side impact airbags, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.